What up, my peeps? Today I'm going to cook some ackee and saltfish. Yes, Jamaican national dish, authentic and nice. So here I have some frozen ackee that I got from Jamaica, and I have some saltfish, boned saltfish. So there is no bone in this, and I'm just going to boil out the salt out of the saltfish. So I'm going to boil this 2 times in some water, and I'm going to also boil the ackee until the ackee is nice and soft. So over here I have some water that I'm going to boil the ackee in. So I'm waiting until the water, well, it's hot now, so I'm going to pour the ackee in, and I'm pouring it in the pot frozen, as you can see. So in my little pot over here, so I'm going to boil out the saltfish 2 times because I don't like the salt. That is the ackee, and I'm going to cook some dumpling over here, so okay. So while the ackee are boiled and the saltfish boiling out, I went ahead and I prepared my ground seasonings. I have some green onion, some red onion, a piece of hot pepper, and some thyme. And this is what I'm going to use to fry up my saltfish with some black pepper. Yeah, so see the progress there. Ackee are boiled, saltfish are bubble, and my dumpling and my banana and my yam over there. So okay, so we're going to fry up the saltfish now. So I have some oil in the pot, and I'm just going to throw my seasoning in. So I'm sauteing the seasoning in some oil, just for about a minute, and then I'm going to add the saltfish. So I've added the saltfish. I'm going to allow this to fry up for about 2 minutes before I add the ackee. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. Stir it up. Now we're going to add our ackee. So I've added the ackee, and this is what it is looking like. And I give it a little spin. Don't want to spin it too much to break up the ackee. And here you have it. Yes, my people, so that's the final result. So the flour and the banana and everything and the pumpkin over there. So let me know what you think about this recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious, authentic Caribbean, Jamaican recipes. Until next time, walk good.